DigitalBix fashions. In today's fast-paced life, stress is inevitable. Thankfully, everyone is resorting to different manners of ensuring good health. One such widely accepted activity is yoga. It dates back thousands of years but has enjoyed a modern resurgence. If you are planning to inculcate yoga in your workout regime, make sure to wear the perfect outfit. Here is the list of top 5 yoga pants brands in India. Number 1, HRX by Hrithik Roshan, motivating and inspiring us to be the best version of ourselves. HRX by Hrithik Roshan is a relatively new brand in the market, offering yoga pants that are fashionable as well as functional. It is one of the best yoga apparel brands. Number 2, Nike. When we think of sportswear, Nike is the first brand that comes to mind, serving us for over 50 years now. It is one of the most powerful sportswear brands in the market today. Number 3, Adidas. With its roots in Germany, Adidas is another go-to brand when one thinks of anything related to sports. The brand's idea is to play an important role in everyone's lives, on and off the play field, and they do that efficiently with their comfortable set of sportswear. Number 4, Sculpt by Shahid Kapoor. More and more celebrities from showbiz are now launching their own brands. One such recently launched brand is Sculpt by Shahid Kapoor. Under his brand, the actor has presented a wide range of peppy yoga pants that will fit right into your athleisure wardrobe. Number 5, Jockey India. Jockey India has been constantly pushing boundaries to deliver comfort to their customers. The yoga pants that they design are easy breezy and well styled. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.